Hi, good afternoon. We are here at Zara warehouse in Manesar, and it's a privileged opportunity to visiting this particular center. There we have placed picker and packer candidates who have been trained under DDUGKY scheme at our Kotdwar center. As you can see, it's a humongous facility we do have here, and a number of candidates has been placed. And the phenomenal thing is that the number of women are working over there along with the boys as well. So it's a 24-hour working environment where the boys and girls are working in shifts. We just met the boys at the boys hostel, and they were really happy to getting this kind of opportunity to get industry exposure. So it's an on-the-job training phase at this point of time, and as we understand that the employers has already committed to us to have 100% placement of these candidates, looking at their skills and their commitment to the work. So for the company, Viradar Private Limited, it's also a nice opportunity, a good opportunity to have this kind of exposure, and we look forward to provide this kind of facilities to our ongoing batches as well. Thank you.